Okay, for the second part of our course orientation, so continuation lang po regarding on the guidelines, regarding on claiming or submitting your course pack o yung tinatawag nating course module. So, actually, last September 17, so yun po yung first time po natin nag-distribute ng mga course pack. So, during that day, ito po yung mga step natin para ma-claim po natin yung mga course pack o yung mga course module natin. Ang step 1 po natin is nag-sanitize po muna tayo ng hands sa feet. So, may mga available alcohol po doon. At the same time, may assign na person po para po i-check yung ating temperature. Step 2 po, nag-fill out po tayo ng health declaration form. So, ginagawa po natin ito for health security din po. Step 3, sign the receiving list of the course pack. So, after signing the receiving list, meron po tayong designated area where pwede po tayong maghintay hanggang hindi pa natatapos yung unang transaction. So, para lang ma-ensure po natin yung social distancing na tinatawag. So, step 5, so yun po yung time na ma-claim na po natin yung course package natin o yung tinatawag nating course module. So, ito yung mga reminder para sa mga student na under modular distance learning. So, unang-una po, keep all your modules intact. You should shoulder the cost of reprinting if you lost or damaged the learning module. So, in case pong masira, mapunit, o kaya mawala po, hindi na po kayo makakakuha ng copy sa ating school, kundi kayo na po ang magproproduce ng copy nyo. Kayo na po mag-shoulder ng gastos ng printing or kaya ng Xerox copy ng inyong course module. So, physical submission of learning assessment will be done twice a month, specifically every second and last Friday of every month. You may also submit via Lalamove, Grab, Angkas, Mr. Speedy, and the likes of physical presence is prohibited. So, kung walang time para mag-submit ng mga activities or evaluation, pwede nyo rin pong ipa-deliver yon via dun sa mga nabanggit kong mga delivery services po natin. Okay? Submit on time all the requirements that your professor, instructor has prescribed in the learning module. So, lagi po tayong on time para mag-submit ng ating mga activities and evaluation para po maiwasan din po natin yung delay. Ensure that learning assessment are properly stapled and labeled prior to the submission to DFCOM CLP Academic Affairs Office for the main campus and at the Dean's Office for the IT campus. Use long brown envelope to compile all modules assessments due for submission. Indicate the following information on the cover page for your assessment purpose. So, kailangan po natin yung course code and title, yung pangalan po ng estudyante, year and section, at po yung pangalan po ng professor natin or instructor. Don't forget to bring your blue plastic envelope. The same plastic envelope will be used for the new set of new modules upon submission of the learning assessment. Consistently monitor the official Facebook page. So, sa atin po, meron po tayong available na official page para sa DFCOM CLP. So, for updates and official announcement. Para po nyo malalaman yung mga panibagong updates at announcement natin regarding po dito sa ating modular distance learning. Next. Okay. Next is yung grading system. So, ito po yung dapat tandaan ng mga estudyante. So, ang grade po natin, kukunin sa midterm is 40% plus 60% po for the finals. So, ang grade po natin quizzes. Ang quizzes po natin is 30%. Yung project, submitted output, which is the machine problem, and also assignment is 50%. 50% recitation, participation, and online engagement. So, ito pong recitation, participation, online engagement, para po ito sa mga estudyante under the online learning. Dun po naman sa mga modular, under the modular learning, ang inyong recitation and participations is based on written reflection, journals, or similar for this. Okay, next is yung mga topics covered in data structure and algorithm analysis. So, ito po yung mga ine-expect po nating mga topics for the whole semester. So, by taking this course, the student will learn how to create an efficient and accurate program and equip them to analyze and formulate practical algorithms for their application. And here are the different topics that we'll discuss in ITE 103. So, in week 1, ito po yung course orientation natin. In week 2, ito po yung i-discuss ko na, yung introduction to data structure and algorithm analysis. So, this lesson introduce the fundamentals, classification, properties, and different terms used in data structure and algorithm analysis. So, kumbaga, ito po yung pinaka-basic concept para maintindihan po natin kung ano yung data structure and algorithm analysis. So, in our week 3, ito po yung one and multi-dimensional array. This topic introduces you to one-dimensional array and multi-dimensional array and how these two arrays work in the C++ program using the different operation. Okay? So, during this week, i-discuss po natin yung pagkakaiba ng one-dimensional array and also the multi-dimensional array at ano po yung mga available operation po nila under the C++ program. Okay? On week 4, ito po yung string data structure. So, this topic introduces you to string data structure using the available string function of C++. So, same po ng ating Java. For those students na nakatake na ng Computer Programming 1 and also Computer Programming 2, so meron din pong mga available string function ang C++, the same with Java. So, in week 4, i-discuss po natin kung ano po yung mga string function na to para ma-manipulate po natin yung mga string natin under the C++ program. Okay? Next is, ang week 5 po natin, i-discuss natin yung data structure ng set, matrices, and also the Pascal triangle. So, i-discuss ko po sa inyo yung mga step-by-step procedure para makuha po natin yung mga operation ng set, like the union, difference, intersection, and so on and so forth. So, also, i-discuss po rin natin yung mga algorithm available for the matrices, like the addition, multiplication, transpositions, and so on and so forth. And also, the Pascal triangle, so i-discuss din po natin yung mga algorithm nila. At the same time, we're going to convert the algorithm in form of C++ program. That will be on week 5. On week 6, ito po is yung Euclidean algorithm, which is the oldest form of algorithm. So, by using this Euclidean algorithm, it will discuss on how to get the GCD, which is the greatest common divisor, and LCM, or the least common multiple, of the 2 and 3 input numbers using Euclidean algorithm. So, week 7 is the mathematical induction. The topic tackles about the proof of induction to generate the two equal value of two equations. Using mathematical induction, ipuprove po natin if the two equations are equally equally po regarding on the output. Kapag nag-input po sila ng the same number, magiging equal po ba ang equivalent value po nila. So, doon po is ipuprove po natin yung mga equation na yon. In week 8 is the connectivity algorithm. So, we're going to discuss the relation of two connected integers using the quick find and tree representation. So, by using the connectivity algorithm, we're going to set or we're going to identify the relation of two elements regarding on the representation using the quick find and also the tree representation. In week 10, so ito po yung parts of binary trees which is also part of the data structure. So this topic discuss the parts and different kinds of binary tree. In week 11, we're going to discuss the traversal of binary tree, discuss how to generate the element of B3 using the pre-order, in-order, and the post-order. In week 17, so we're going to tackle about the fullest notation of the binary tree. This topic discuss converting arithmetic expression into form of binary tree and their equivalent infix, postfix, and prefix. Okay, so for the next video, continuation po tayo regarding on the week 13 and hanggang week 17. So wait for the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.